Namaskaram to everybody, and this is Mutyala Dhara Waterfalls, one of the tallest waterfalls of Telangana, and it is believed that this is the third tallest waterfalls in India. And this is a beautiful water flowing down the line which later joins the river Godavari, and it is believed that this water plunges from a height of 700 feet, and we are going to enjoy our time over here. Mutyala Dhara Waterfalls, you can see the whole mountain is filled with moisture and frost. It's a rocky trail. We have a beautiful pond over there wherein we can swim. It's a tough place to reach. You need to travel or walk 8 kilometers. Om Namah Shivaya. This is how the road looks.